Have you ever thought about hanging for a few minutes each day? It may sound strange, but the benefits of hanging are remarkable. In this video, we'll explore what happens to your body when you hang for just 3 minutes each day. We'll also look at some safety precautions to take before beginning this exercise. In today's society, we spend a lot of time sitting at desks, gazing at screens, and slouching on couches. This sedentary lifestyle can have negative effects on our bodies. As a low-impact exercise that can be performed anywhere without the use of special equipment and can be modified to suit different fitness levels, hanging is now highly recommended by many fitness experts and physical therapists as a way to combat the negative effects of our sedentary lifestyle. The dead hang is a fairly simple exercise, but there are a few things to keep in mind when first incorporating it into your routine. For example, you should avoid jumping up and grabbing the bar mid-air to start your dead hang, because doing so will cause you to swing, which can be challenging to control and may increase your risk of injury. Instead, use a small box or weight plate to help you reach the bar while standing on your tiptoes. As you hang, make sure to keep your core slightly engaged to prevent swinging. If you are just starting out with the exercise, don't expect to hang for a minute at a time. Try keeping your position for 3 repetitions of 10 seconds each, with a 30 to 1 minute break in between. When you hang, your body weight pulls your spine, decompressing your vertebrae, which in turn helps to realign your spine. This full body stretch helps to relieve tension in your muscles and joints. Additionally, hanging can help you become more flexible in your shoulders, hips, and knees. It's also a great way to increase your balance and stability. This simple stretch can help you reduce back pain, neck pain, and improve your posture. Additionally, hanging can benefit your digestive system because it puts your body in a vertical position, which increases blood flow to the gut and benefits digestion, reduces bloating, and eases constipation. Additionally, hanging encourages the use of your core muscles, which can enhance digestion by facilitating the passage of food through your intestines. Additionally, this exercise can enhance the performance of your kidneys and liver. Performing a hang helps you advance to a pull-up if your current fitness objective is to perform a pull-ups. To achieve that, you must first master dead hangs. You begin a dead hang with a dead hang, so if you can't even support your weight on the bar, it's improbable that you will be able to complete the entire motion on your own. When you hang, blood flows to your upper body, increasing the blood supply to your brain. This can help you focus more clearly and reduce mental fatigue. Hanging has a positive effect on your circulatory system. Additionally, hanging can enhance blood flow to your arms and legs, which can help prevent blood clots and enhance circulation in general. Improved circulation can also aid in reducing bodily inflammation, which can lessen your risk of contracting long-term conditions including diabetes, heart disease, and cancer. When you hang your fingers, it's a great way to develop your grip and forearm muscles. Hanging can improve your performance in activities requiring hand strength, such as weightlifting or rock climbing, as well as help you avoid wrist and hand injuries. Your palms and forearms hold your weight, which increases your grip strength. Your mood is affected by your grip strength, which can also aid with daily tasks like carrying groceries and opening jars. Endorphins, which are naturally occurring painkillers that can elevate mood and lessen anxiety, are released. Additionally, the feeling of suspension and the full body stretch can help you feel calm and relieve stress. Hanging is an excellent way to unwind, and the rush of blood to your brain can make you feel more focused and alert. This exercise can also help to improve your sleep, which will have a favorable effect on your mood and general health. While most people can safely hang, there are a few things to keep in mind. If you have any wrist or back injuries, you should speak to your doctor before beginning this exercise. It's also important to start with shorter hanging times and build up to 3 minutes gradually to prevent injury. Last but not least, ensure the branch or bar you're hanging from is strong and able to support your weight. If you experience any pain or discomfort while exercising, stop right away and get medical help. In conclusion, if you appreciate this video, please click like and subscribe for more of it. If you're looking for a quick, low-impact exercise to incorporate into your daily routine, hanging is definitely worth giving a try. Give it a shot and see how it can improve your health and well-being. Hanging for just 3 minutes a day has numerous advantages for your body and mind. It can help with posture, digestion, circulation, grip strength, and mood.